Hey folks, how you doing? Welcome to the channel. It is Monday the 12th of December. Struggling to try days to what to think about today. I mean, a lot of that is just comes from looking around. Look at the weather today, it's so cold. We've got an ice day. Temperatures have remained below freezing all day long. Everything is covered in this, look at that. There's cobwebs covered in ice everywhere as well. It's really pretty, you know. It's really pretty and everything. But that doesn't make me want to think about cycling and stuff. I've always spoke about what happened in the weekend. Managed to get out in this, doing that old axe on the Saturday. But as far as the coming week or weekend is concerned, it's too far ahead to sort of plan anything right now. Lots of cold weather expected all week. Is it going to amount to any white stuff on the ground? Is it going to snow or anything? Who knows? Things for sure that I'm likely to be jumping on the gravel bike, I think. Oh, look at this. Look at those. Isn't that pretty? Yeah? Yes, I'm going to be likely to be jumping on the gravel bike on Saturday or Sunday, possibly, well, definitely Sunday, maybe Saturday, because I've got a Christmas works party is on Friday, although I'm going to be driving, so I'm going to be drinking or anything. And this year they want us to pay for the hotel accommodation, so how many people have taken that offer up? No one. So yeah, I'll be watching how much I drink. It'll be a couple of pints and that'll be at tops. Yeah, weather's good. I could cycle there, I guess. It's not too far. That's a good idea actually, and then just cycle back. Sober up then cycle back. Who knows? Yeah, some time to think about that. Got to sort out my Secret Santa present for Wednesday as well. Wonder what to buy this person. I'm gonna probably do some shopping tomorrow. Talking of shopping, Adam Watkins is now a proud owner of some, I think it's Cookie Monster slippers, because I've gone and left them at his house. So I'm going to be buying some slippers probably this afternoon actually. Just find some ones. I think, I don't know what it is about slippers, but I like the ones with the backing on. I don't want them to slip off, because you know when you go downstairs and things like that, the last thing you want is slippers falling off when you're walking, especially if you want to walk outside your house and just grab something as well. They always bloody fall off. Yeah, so I don't know what the attraction with people buying them sort of slippers is. Anyway, this is kind of a bit of a ramble, this. Yeah, I feel like I should be talking about something more positive rather than slippers slipping off. But I mean, you know what it's like if you live in the UK. Look at this. Where's the sun gone? This is the worst time for the cold in December, isn't it? And those short days, what a mix that is. At least it's pretty. Anyway, look at this. I hope your week's starting off well. If you've got any comments with some plans for the weekend, if you want to know what you got up to this past weekend, Matt, perhaps. Did you go out riding anywhere fun? And if you was on the levels, lines and lumps or DAX, feel free to comment down below. How did you find it? Is there any stories that I haven't told it's shared with you? I mean, there must have been some bits and bobs along the way that you notice on your ride that perhaps I was concentrating that much not to fall over. I missed. Certainly an interesting old DAX, and yeah, didn't quite get that Lantern Rouge. Second from last. So close, so close. It's going to be an Audax that I'm not going to forget anytime soon. Yeah, so I'm just going to round this vlog up, I think. I hope you've enjoyed it. Got any comments, questions? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well. I hope if you've made it this far at the end, then give yourself a big pat on the back, because I know it's been difficult. It's been a tough one. Right, I'll see you again tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye.